familiale, donc pas tout à fait attachée à ses parents. Et lorsqu'on se parlait au début de l'émission, on a eu des petites capsules et on a vu le vidéoclip What Have You Done For Me Lately? Un des danseurs dans le vidéoclip, pendant que le clip tournait, en fait, Janet me disait qu'elle est sortie dans un club et il y a une femme qui est rentrée dans les toilettes. Ils étaient évidemment dans les toilettes des femmes. Et cette femme-là, c'est en fait son danseur qui se trouve également dans plusieurs autres vidéos, dont Escapade. Et maintenant, c'est une femme. Il a eu un sex change. Il est devenu une femme. Alors, je lui ai demandé un peu de raconter cette histoire-là parce que je trouvais ça comique. I thought that was a nice story you could share with your audience. So.
Thank you.
Yeah. There's one aspect of the album that I find quite interesting is the way you celebrate the splendor of sexuality. You bring beauty back to sexuality. Were you?
Thank you.
I thought that was, I really appreciated that. Were you surprised to see yourself reveal more intimately than on the Janet album, reveal some of your sexual fantasies on this album?
No, it's been coming slowly but surely, even with the Control album. I mean, see how my mind blanks with certain songs? Not Some Days Tonight, that was on the Rhythm Nation album, but Funny How Time Flies is actually when it kind of first started, that it started creeping in. You could hear it a little bit. And then on the Rhythm Nation, there was Some Days Tonight, which was more in that area. And with the Janet, it was even more. And then I did 24 Play. And I just said, forget it, I suppose, at some point.
I'm going in there.
Yeah, well, I just think it's a beautiful thing. And if you want to talk about it, then do so, if you feel to.
Sur cet album-là, un aspect de l'album, en fait, que moi, je trouve très intéressant, c'est la façon dont elle parle de la sexualité. Elle parle de la sexualité d'une façon très belle et c'est pas vulgaire du tout. Je lui dis, est-ce que ça t'a surpris, en fait, de pouvoir parler comme ça de tes fantasmes sexuels, un petit peu plus d'une façon un petit peu plus directe, en fait, que tu l'as fait sur l'album de Janet. Et elle me dit, en effet, que c'est une très belle chose, la sexualité, c'est pas vulgaire du tout. Et même si elle a commencé, en fait, à parler un petit peu de ce sujet-là dans des albums précédents, dont Rhythm Nation, sur cet album-là, ça lui a fait très plaisir d'en parler de cette façon-là parce que c'est pas vulgaire du tout, selon elle. We're gonna go to a video, and we'll come right back.
Sure.
Yes. After we come back, we're gonna have questions from the audience. So here's Together Again. On revient tout de suite après avec Janet Jackson à Musique Plus. Je vous invite à rester des nôtres parce que tout de suite après la pause, c'est les questions du public à Janet Jackson. Restez des nôtres.
I hear the growth. When all my friends would say to me, God, you've changed, and in a positive way, and I couldn't see it, I see it with this album and I hear it, and more so today than I did after completing the album. I hear the growth, which I'm really happy about. I'm very proud of.
C'est maintenant le temps au public ici qui s'est déplacé pour nous rendre visite dans l'environnement Musique Plus. C'est maintenant le temps que c'est à leur tour de poser des questions à Janet. Mike, tu as quelqu'un avec toi, je pense, qui aimerait bien lui parler.
Wait, we are here. Hi.
Hi.
This is Mr. Jones, a great fan of yours. He went to see your concert in London and Washington.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and I have a question concerning the direction. I just found out that you are the sole director of this tour, and although I really love your last two tours, this show is unbelievably good.
Thank you very much.
So I would like to know, from a director's point of view, as well as a performer's point of view, what was more difficult and what was easier?
Performing or directing?
Being both at the same time.
Yes, that was the difficult part, because there were times when I was supposed to be learning all the dance steps with the dancers, but I couldn't because I had to take a meeting with the set designer or the lighting guys or go over stuff with Rex, who's the musical director, and work with him on God, I mean, it was really difficult to do both, and my hours were very, very long. It's like sometimes I wouldn't get home till about midnight, and then I'd have David Cardona, who's a very good friend of mine. He's a designer, and he was waiting at my house so we could go over all the costumes. So that would take a couple of hours, and I wouldn't get to bed sometimes till 3, 4, and then have to get up in the morning and do it all over again. So it was pretty tough, but I'm glad I did it.
Well, the end result is as brilliant as the album Velvet Rope. Really.
Thank you so much. That's really sweet. Thank you very much.
David a demandé à Janet si ça avait été difficile de faire les deux tâches parce qu'elle était bien sûr la vedette principale de son spectacle, ce qui est tout à fait normal. Et aussi, elle s'est occupée de la direction artistique, la mise en scène et tout ça. Et comme elle l'a dit, ça l'a tenue très occupée parce qu'à une certaine période, elle devait rencontrer le côté artistique, les danseurs et tout ça, et aussi le côté production. Donc, ça la tenait très occupée. Et lorsqu'elle retournait chez elle, en plus, en fin de soirée, elle travaillait avec la personne qui créait ses costumes, se couchait à 3-4 heures du matin et recommençait. I have Jonathan with me. He has a question for you.
Okay, if you had a chance to relive your life, what would you do differently?
I wouldn't. I don't think I would do anything differently. I would live it exactly as I have.
Alors, aucun changement. Jonathan lui a demandé si elle avait la chance de revivre sa vie. Qu'est-ce qu'elle ferait? Elle dit, je ne changerais absolument rien. It's my turn now. I got something for you. The latest CD from Joni Mitchell. Have you had the time to buy it?
Oh, cool. Thank you so much.
It was out just yesterday.
Just holding out my hands.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you very much.
And my question is regarding the video for Go Deep. Who had the idea of this funny script? Is there anything funny happening during the shooting?
Deep?
Go Deep.
It was freezing. It was so cold, and we were supposed
When
to...
was it shot?
Where?
Where and when?
It was shot in March, the day before we left to go to Europe, to start the European leg of the tour, to rehearse, I should say, we had like 2 weeks rehearsal before the first show. And it was shot in the valley in California, in the San Fernando Valley. And it was freezing. It was so cold, and we had all these suds. Everyone was so wet and so cold. And it was supposed to be like the summertime, looked like it was like really warm outside. It was a lot of fun, though, with all those soap suds, and we were acting really crazy. And the floor was really slippery because of all the suds in the water, but it was fun.
So there was no mistake to make at that time, because it was, the machine was there and you had to shoot when the bubbles were everywhere.
They were everywhere. I mean, this poor house, because we rented someone's house, and I think they had to redo it inside afterwards because we made a mess. I mean, there were suds all upstairs, all downstairs, everywhere in this house. So they had to repaint and get new carpet for the home. But it was fun.
OK. Alors, le vidéo Go Deep, vous l'avez sans doute remarqué, on s'amuse beaucoup là-dedans. Comme elle nous disait, il faisait très froid. Ça a été tourné au mois de mars dernier, quelques jours seulement avant qu'on quitte pour aller débuter la tournée en Europe. Et aussi, ça a fait beaucoup de dégâts dans la maison en tant que telle. Beaucoup de savon un peu partout. Il y avait de l'eau un peu partout. Et bien sûr, on a dû refaire les planchers et tout ça. On est allé dans la rue. On a des questions pour Janet. We went to the streets. Some of your fans has a question for you.
Sure.
This is Alan and Brent. We're on holiday here in Montreal, and we understand, Janet, that you're going to be in New Zealand in November, touring around. And we just wondered, as we go to the gym quite a bit, whether diet's important to your routines and how long it takes you to choreograph your videos with your working out and training like that. I hope to see you in New Zealand in November. We might be back from there. We're going to Europe now, and all I can say is the old Māori goodwill. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
So did you get anything? Did you get the question?
Yes, there were 2 questions.
Yeah.
Which I forgot the second one, but I do remember the first one. Well, we all work out, the dancers and myself, and even a lot of the band members. We work out, try to, 6 days a week. Sometimes we only make it to 5 days a week, but work out for about 2.5 hours.
Every
Those
day.
days, yeah, even on show days. Even though I didn't this morning. So I'm feeling kind of guilty, but I'll get over it.
Alors,